back to my channel, and today we're back with another freaking video. And today's video, I'm gonna be styling his hair or whatever. I got my makeup done because I had seen her pictures today, and I don't really care for my makeup like that. Like, you see how my eyebrows are long and dark? Like, I don't like it. But everything else I love. But I'm just gonna style this hair. I might cut it into a bob because, like, I don't know, I'm feeling a bob and it's ready for something new. So let's just get right into it. Hold on, let me brush this out first. I really don't like my eyebrows at all. My skin looks smooth, you know? But yeah, it's just the eyebrows. But let's get into these lashes. 25 mm, let's get into these lashes. Let's get into them. I just want to take a couple of videos and stuff before I cut my hair, so I will be back. Okay, I kind of like smeared it off already, as you can see. I never did that, but I got my little videos and stuff in or whatever. I'm gonna cut this hair because this hair, like, hold on, get my wipes. Okay, it is time to take it out. Hold on, my bag is showing. Okay. I'm gonna miss it so much. I'm gonna wipe off the brows, cause, baby, doing some thick ass eyebrows. Like, I'm talking about thick and fuck, thick and long. Don't run from me, friend. This is cute. Just imagine somebody doing a brows like this. Okay, everything is off. It's just see, this is why I'm cutting this hair. Everything is off. It's just okay, I'm just gonna put this in my pants. Oh Oh yeah, I've been meaning to say like in my videos, y'all be seeing this little shit on the wall, like the little prints. Don't mind that, it would literally not come off. I don't know who put that hair right there. Okay, I'm about to cut this. I feel like it's gonna come out really bad. Does it look uneven? Like, I know it's uneven a little bit, but like, is it noticeable? Brush this out. Yeah, I like this. I'm liking this. But yeah, guys, that really wraps up this video. I just wanted to show you guys me cutting this hair because I needed to do a video for some promo. So, yeah. Here's this long blunt cut. Blunt cut, I guess I'm not gonna say about, but this blunt cut. I like this one. I don't know why it's cute. It's different. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you guys in my next